Bloggermail. So, meron tayong package from Safiya. Yes, Safiya Beautique. And let's see what a rose. Ang tatak niya is Anastasia. Ayan. Ito is yung naka-bubble wrap lahat ng package para safe na safe. Organic eyebrow pomade with hair medium brown. Oh, nice. I like. Watch natin siya. Ooh. Can you see that? Lasting, waterproof, easy to blend, smudge free, and organic content. So, if you want me to make a review about this product, let me know. Plastic yung ano nila, yung kanilang, what do you call this? Package. And look at their packaging. Ang cute. Look at that. There. Strawberry, amber, berry bliss, blueberry, and bell. Thank you so much, Safiya Beauty. Boutique ba? Safiya. Follow my page, my blog, and my YouTube channel so you'll be updated whenever I have review ng mga different brands and different products and other sponsored. So much. Thank you so much, Safiya. Thank you so much, Miss Crystal. Thank you so much for this, and watch out for my review.